Hello, everybody. I am Jen from Me Time. I'm so excited to show you what you're going to get in your Hoop Studio September 2025 kit. It's called Beautiful Neighborhood 2, and it's going to be houses 3 and 4 that go along with our Beautiful Neighborhood House 1 and 2 from September of 2024. So let's show you what you're going to get in your kit this month. First of all, remember, you're going to get full color step-by-step instructions of how to make both houses. You're going to get 4 pieces of the chiffon for the windows, 6 pieces of shapeform to help hold up your house really good. You're going to get this beautiful stack of fabrics with blacks and peaches and this mustardy yellow and these creamy fabrics that are going to go in your kit as well. Don't forget that we're going to give you a new tombstone that goes within the cemetery. You got one last year, and we're including also some fairy lights to help light up your houses. So let's see what those houses look like. We have 2 houses this month. One is this peach tall house, and the other one is this yellow shorter house here. But look at the detail on the front of that. We've got a fence here and spider webs, and we even let me show you the back of those, what the back looks like. So we've got the windows all bordered up on the shorter house, and just really fun to have the fence around the edge there. And again, remember, you get your tombstone to add to the cemetery. So that's what you get in this kit, and that's what you're going to make. But I just, again, wanted to remind you, if you want to make a village with this, you can go to metimedelivered.com and look for the September 2024 Beautiful Neighborhood, and you can purchase and download the files there if you don't already have them, and then you'll have 4 houses to add to your little neighborhood. The fresh technique for this month is scoring your shape form for a 3D house. Really easy to do, and we'll show you in instructions how to do that. All right, we have a great giveaway for you guys today. I'm really excited to show you. We have the medium cutaway embroidery stabilizer that works really well in this project. We have the curved Kimberbell scissors here that will help with all of your cutting needs for the project. In the windows are great to cut out with a seam ripper. So that is part of the giveaway as well. And then we have an extra set of fairy lights for you. And you can add those to multiple houses or add them to other projects that maybe you're doing. So this is your giveaway. And all I need you to do is tell me what you like best about these new Beautiful Neighborhood houses for this month. Leave a comment of what you like best, and we're going to announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me. I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time.